I've never seen so many fishes in my life, but look at those. नहीं आप देगा यार देगा हम तो सांता क्लॉज बन गया ना आप लोगों का. Look at this man. तो become है जमी सुरू. Oh बचाओ. Kem dohkha के दाई कवा. आओ ना आओ मेरे साथ सेल्फी करो तो मेरे साथ आओ ना. हम तो जिंदगी में कभी मछली नहीं पकड़ा, आज तो मछली हमको पकड़ा ले. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jari Fish Sanctuary. Kita hangne ini di way fish sanctuary. Kawai ini kita pau bang ni pos lau jangi. Hanne pos South Garo Hills. This is so good, so in the good. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is another location here in Garo Hills, in South Garo Hills, and we have a few different things that I wanted to show you today, and that is the food part. So nice. I don't know where this one leads to, but I'm pretty sure it leads to the fishes and a lot of fishes. I don't know what type of fishes are there, but there will be fishes for sure, and we will have something to eat. Oh my goodness, it is so far away, man. Hurry, how hour gya mera baap re baap jingai bhado. Wait, you see it? Look at the bamboos, man. The bamboos, the bam and the boos. Oh, okay, I think I'm seeing something. Oh no, that is banana leaf. I thought it's something. It is the banana leaf. So nice. No problem. And now we will go to the fish sanctuary. Where is the fish sanctuary? I don't know. In a few moments later. And we give you the sanctuary. Dkhiew. Yeah, hey, sanctuary. Oh no. Still have to walk. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those fishes. I can see the fishes from here. Oh, dear, look at those fishes. Are those fishes? No, they're not fishes. Those are stones. Oh, fishes, man. Those are fishes, bro. Those are fishes. Look at them. Thousands and thousands of fishes, bro. One day of a wedding, party somewhere. These guys, I've never seen so many fish in my entire life, at least in a river like this one. Let me just go and say. Let me just go and say. Kisa? मछली देखा? कितना सारा? बहुत सारा? बाप रे बाप. चलो. Ini apenyo hangne. And show me the fishes. Show me the fishes. Look at those. Look at those things. Oh my goodness. See? जा सकता है अंदर में? अब अंदर लेंगे लावा है कि नहीं suck. And then I'll just go inside. Ni. अब bro, हम लाव पुतलन नहीं थे. Brother, look at this. Oh my goodness. Ni. I've never seen so many fishes in my life, but in a river. Don't bite me. Huh? Don't bite me. I muri. Perlok. Ngapa ji dohkha kan teli hajing embet. Oh, they tickle, man, they tickle. Have some. Here, you have it. Look at those. आप देगा यार देगा हम तो सांता क्लॉज बन गया ना आप लोगों का. अरे यार ले लो खाओ. खाओ. Look at this, man. Look at this. भैया शिम को भाई. ले लो Move, up. Yes. Oh yes, lelo, chana, chana. Oni kita di become hai, betul? Tu become hai, saya mesti baru. Lelo. Ani, look at that. Ani, this is heavenly, man. This is heavenly. Wrong sih, Pak? Ani. Bachao. Ani, love it. Lelo. Ani, dah. Nala kan, iman lada kem nak tiru yo hari ini. Hey, sim. Mana. Oh, butut. Ale, yang semua kau ya. Yang semua kau. Butut je, melara. Kem dohkha. Sim. This is the best, yeah. This is the best. Hey, sabar karo yaar. Ni too good. Best pelat ni deh. Oh yeah. Oi. Hey. Lelo, kau. Mera cerita baca kau. Ani kita je kau ana. Ani. Kita kau ana. Kita kau ana. Ani. This is the best feeling that I've had here in my life. Ani. Ani lelo, khalo. आओ मेरे साथ. सेल्फी करो तो मेरे साथ आओ ना सेल्फी करो और keren kecil karo nih gini. Nih bas pelat. Nih ये तो 4-5 पैकेट लेके आने से अच्छा था यार. Ani bas pelat. Best pelat. This is it. Look at them. Ay ngan tap na siapa mo kayo. Ngale underwater if you go mo. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the fish sanctuary, Genesis Fish Sanctuary, and let me introduce you to the fish and the fishes. And here we are. यार हम कैमरा रखेगा अंदर में look, I've never seen something like this in my life, yeah. Look at that, man. Honey, this is just amazing. Like, bro, look at this. Honey, and the fish. Hantu? Lại. Ngapa ji dohkha kum ne kat le kan Italy. Ari. Phidi sipe jau duat ma khwai. Ani. Lagi. Oi. Muri. Ani. Penye anak kawang mah. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Oh my goodness! This is right. Look at them. Bro. Ladies and gentlemen, nilapay sa bukod yung video Krishibun ko dohkha Krishibun. Thank you so much. I love this. Kani gadi ka way na ki experience bujing shem bujing amat ma pair tam ba pinkiman tam nga kasi ngim janga manta. Ka experience kepada but bayo hi bikin wani hapo kikijat te bikin dat kikijat kini. Lama. Te perlong. Ngin saya share me api ko video sampai next. Kendring yang ini no ni jaka. Habong bye bye ki dohkha. Chalo, let's go. I love this, man. This is one of the most beautiful experiences that I've had. Khao. Bye bye. अभी किसी और को आप इंतजार करो, खाना लेके आएगा आपके लिए। और नहीं प्लास्टिक रह गया यार, जला दिया ठीक है। तो वो जो प्लास्टिक, don't throw plastic when you come, only throw muri ना, muri फेंको, प्लास्टिक मत फेंको। हाँ right, bye fishes, bye। look at them, man। क्या निकलता नहीं क्या ये लोग? निकलता नहीं यहाँ से? यहाँ में रहता है?
इधर में रहता है ये लोग। अभी हम लोग मुरी जगह पे आ रहा है। मुरी खत्म हो गया।
बाय बाय। आप अच्छा से पढ़ो, बड़ा होके क्या टूरिस्ट गाइड बनो। They're living in peace. Nobody to touch them. Nah, acha rehta hai wo log. That was one of the most beautiful experiences that I've had, man. I love this. Thank you, Garo Hills. Thank you so much. Tangkaway ka ba usually? Ka ba lese mga laban nung? Amdan ri. Masuk ka bihang ri. Ri ka ba laban pen bahay kan de lese tang kalenti surok ing try nomor ba na siyo man hikren merkini siaru. I just had a conversation with these guys and they said the road is something which needs to be fixed, and most of the places are not accessible by the normal cars. You need to have a 4x4 to get to certain places, and this is somehow very easy. This place is somehow very easy, but most of the places and a few of the places you'll have to go off-road, you'll have to trek, you'll have to do so many things, which is natural for someone to do so. But again, there are a few roads that connect from one village to another. Those I feel needs immediate attention. We do need few of these roads to be fixed, not fixed actually, to construct, because they have not been constructed anyway. They're just pavements. They're just there was just land cutting and everything. You have you'll have what do you call, bulldozer doing the things, and no proper roads. And when the raining season comes, you'll have very difficult time to go through, to commute, and people will only have to rely on these 2 feet. Okay, so I do urge, especially the government, to do something in this regard, to have most of these connecting roads from one village to another, especially these villages which can help people to connect to, for example, district headquarters of Bakmara and all the important places here around. Not everyone can commute in 4x4 all the time, and most of the places they cannot even get access to many basic things just because of the road, and with that comes the all the difficulties that you can think of. But anyway, that's my take, that's what I have to say. But then again, thanks so much sir girls, thank you so much Brimigo.
Thank you, sir.
यहाँ हम लोग ले आने के लिए बहुत मज़ा आया यार. मछली, हम तो ज़िंदगी में कभी मछली नहीं पकड़ा, आज तो मछली हमको पकड़ा है. और काटा भी है यहाँ में, पर अच्छा लगा ऐसा टक 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 टक
खुजली.
यहाँ खुजली knee पैर में. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining, for watching till the end of the video. Please comment your guess yaki location ni bangi lake, ngendang lake, Bangladesh lake, whatever it is, list of locations, and then the purpose of why we are here. So the best or the correct answer, that you that we have on the comment section, the first one to do so will win 10,000 bucks. This is a New Year gift from Bakut. And helpful also. No? Helpful till adi way ni drone pilot ki dekat ma. Te bala dem shoot ki ba shirkai ni jaka hane, and you'll love them. Just watch these videos and you'll just fall in love with everything that we are showing you here. I love this. I love this. Chalo. Share, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.